REIReply is a tool with a marketing platform where you can import or create contacts and run email campaigns on them or send SMS blasts. In this video, we'll see how we can connect and push REIReply contact to Podio first. I'll log in. This is the dashboard of the tool. Click on the Contacts section to view all contacts. All the contacts I've added before will appear here. You can add new contacts by clicking on this icon. Add a new contact by providing the following information. Save contact by clicking here. I have already saved some contacts, so I will not save this contact. I open this contact that we have already created. Here you can see all the contact information and conversation. You can also add some general information or additional info if you want. See all the conversations, you will click on the Conversation section. All conversations will appear here. Here I will search for the desired contact. From here you can assign different tags to the conversation based on the status of the conversation. Write down your important notes regarding a conversation with the relevant contact before creating an opportunity. Now you can create an opportunity. Give a name to the opportunity. Select the pipeline, the stage, and then the status of the opportunity. You can create an opportunity if the status shows an open or one option, otherwise not. Then enter the lead value, the name of the desired opportunity owner, and the source of the opportunity. After putting all the info, I can add my opportunity. The opportunity has been created. From here, you can make changes to the information about the opportunity. Now I will click on the Opportunities section and see that my opportunity has been successfully generated. We have integrated it with Podio. Now I will go to the Podio. Click on the REIReply application to see the opportunity I have created. If you want to automatically add REIReply leads to seller leads, you can change the settings to yes by clicking here. But I will do it manually. Your REIReply lead will be moved to seller lead. As you can see, a new seller lead is successfully created. I will visit the seller leads by clicking here.